Now, electric scooters are all the rage right now, and that's the reason we are here at 2023 Auto Expo at the TVS stall. I have a bunch of iQube standing with me. That's the regular iQube. This is the iQube S, and they are both out on sale. You can go buy them today. But this is the reason we are actually here, the iQube ST, for the first time in the flesh. This is the long-range version of the iQube scooter, of the iQube electric scooter, and it's going to go head-to-head with its other electric rivals. Here's how. Okay, with the iQube ST, TVS has upgraded the battery of the scooter, and from what we've heard, the battery's gotten smaller but more energy dense, and that's why the overall output is more. And now you get 140 kilometers of range on eco mode, which is in line with the likes of the Ola S1 Pro and obviously the Ather 450X. Second of all, the instrument cluster, that's been upgraded. That's a touch screen now for the first time on this scooter, and the UI, the UX, the user interface of the instrument cluster has also been upgraded with a few new features that make this a more premium experience. Thirdly, the under-seat storage that's under here is now gone up by a lot, by a huge margin, and you can actually fit one full face helmet in here, one smaller helmet in here, and because of that, it's just become much more practical. Lastly, I want to talk about the color. This, you might not be able to see this on camera, but this here, it's a matte gray color, and out in the sunlight, it's gonna look really, really cool, really, really special, and it's gonna give the iQube a fresh lease of life. Now, as far as charging goes, obviously this will be getting an up-rated charger as well. That means your charging times are going to reduce. And lastly, when is the scooter coming out? What the price is going to be like? Well, we expect it to be somewhere around 1,30,000 or below that. And when it's coming out? In a couple of months. TVS has not given us an actual date, but we've been told that the ride for the scooter is going to happen pretty soon. So obviously, it's going to come to the market after that. That was all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and keep watching the AutoX channel for getting all the action from the 2023 Auto Expo.